Horrible. When he starts learning how to play defense, it's ridiculous. All of them. They're jogging. Box out. What is that? What is that? Get up, up. Watch the middle, Jaden. Why are you jogging along and not cutting off baseline, sideline? Why were you jogging along? You got one man here and you're jogging along. You're supposed to come up and trap. Like, you know what? Go man. Go man.
Yes,
go man. Except for you. You go in the paint. Okay? Go man. Go man. You got it? Cobras Army. Cobra. 1, 2, 3. Cobras. Jackson! Come on, Aiden! That was a tip for you! Let's go! Run, go! Run through lanes! Run through lanes! Up top! Cut! Kenny! Cut! Hey! You gotta keep moving! Hey, don't let him seat back. Nothing. He doesn't get anything. He doesn't get anything. He doesn't get a pass. Where are we at, Jaden? Yep. Let me go with go. That's going to be his 5th. Huh? I know. That's because he can't play defense. You got to play defense, kid. You got to learn how to play defense. Hey, box out! Zion, shooter. Emery, shooter. Kenny, go here. Pick a side. Go lane. Go all the way over. All the way through. Come on. Ridiculous. Stop dribbling the ball. Pass. Pop. Don't bring the ball down. Go in for Jaxel. Bring it in. That's all day. That's all day. Hey, get ready to go back in. I'm giving you a quick breather. Emery, where you going? Pop! Aiden, go to the top! Pop to the top and then out. Out, 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 out. Out. Go. Full time out, get Waters, get Waters, get Waters. Hey, dude, I am so uncomfortable with you out there with these turnovers, dude. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
What are we doing?
I don't know. I knew as soon as I threw it was enough.
All right, listen, we got, hey, Jane, I got 3 or 4 timeouts. 3, right? I got 3 timeouts. We got to create turnovers, okay? We're fine. We're in this game. Okay, it's only 6 points. It's not a big deal. It's all up to you guys. So you guys want to give it to them or do you want to try to get it?
Try to get it.
We're going to get it harder?
Yes, sir.
Everything. You got to want it. Everybody's got to want it. Listen, you have this give and go stuff all day long, okay? That's what I'm saying. You got to keep on moving, keep on moving. Then when it comes to the top and as he's coming over, you got to have that give and go all the time. Or you and Emery just did.
Hey, come on, yo.
Cobras Army, come with me. 1, 2, 3, Cobras!
Hey, come on, Emery. We need better passes.
Get your man! Get your man! Stop walking on the court, Zion! Boston! Boston! You came off your man again! There he goes, bringing it down. Go, go, go! Long, long, long! Boston, it's our ball. Go down low. Go down low. Aiden, you gotta move. What's up with your passing, dude? Inbound the ball. No, inbound him. Inbound the ball. Go. You gotta run it. Let's go. Screen down. Time out. Time out. Time out.
One guy's knocking me off.
I got 2 left. What I got? 30 in the full? 30 in full?
Number 0 is following me wherever I go. I can't get anywhere because he's holding.
You'll figure it out. You guys got to keep on moving. If you guys are stagnant, okay, you're not going to win this game.
Yes, sir.
You got to keep on moving on offense, okay?
Yes, sir.
You got to keep on moving for each other, okay? It's a 5-point game. I got 2 timeouts left, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, hey, watch. They're gonna try to run do the baseline thing because it's after shot. Remember I told you about that passing it across the baseline? Yeah. They're gonna try to pass it across the baseline. We'll get baited by that, all right? Sure. You hear me? And watch passing it back to the inbounder. Yes, who's ever on inbounder, the ball's coming back to that man. Did you just hear what I said?
Yes, sir.
All right. Cobra's on me. Cobra 3. 1, 2, 3. Cobra. Hey, go shot. Boston, watch the long pass. Boston, go get your man. Don't worry about them. Watch the screen. That's a moving screen. That's horrible. Aiden! Aiden, go inside! Oh my God. How can he call I had the ball. I had the ball. How did he call timeout?
He called timeout.
Oh. I know. Hey, get over there.
Hey, that's my bad. My man just walked off the floor.
Aiden.
What was the tech for?
I don't know. What was the tech for? What happened?
We only had 4 on the court.
Oh, okay.
And then 1 came on.
Oh, okay. He only had 4 on the court, and then he ran onto the court after the play started.
You good.
Jade, I have 2, right? Our ball! Our ball! Our ball!
Come on, boy.
Hop, Aiden, move! Oh my God. We ain't gonna win games missing layups. It's right from the beginning. Right from the beginning, guys. Horrible. Aiden, get down here! Quick, let's go! Hey, Emery. Zion! Aiden, get on the line. Hey, we deserve to lose. We missed at least a dozen layups, at least a dozen to 15 easy layups. And we don't want to play defense.
They have a 1-3.
Oh, he called it? All right, let him have it. I'll take the next one. Hey, over here. All right, so we still got two timeouts left. All right, listen, if they get the ball, I don't want them to get the ball. Okay? Hey, Jack Sell, you're in for Boston. You're on the inbounder. Okay? I don't want them to get the ball. Okay? But if they do, you have to foul right away. All right? You have to foul right away. But don't let them get the ball. Okay? It's grit or grind. You're on the inbounder. Don't cross over. Remember? All right? You guys good?
Yes, sir.
I got 2 timeouts, so I can call them. Cobras on me, Cobras. 1, 2, 3. Cobras. That's your man. What do you think? What do you think the situation is? Coach, are we still a man? I just got to ask, Coach, are we still a man? No, let's go play zone. And no! Jackson up! You back! Emery back! Stand on him. What did I say? Put it. Huh? Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Emery, you want a timeout? 30 second timeout. You can't sit down though. Change it to a full. Change it to a full. Sit down.
Is it wet at all there where he fell?
Thank you. Hey, I love this. You having fun yet? Hey, you're gonna knock him down, right?
Coach, you got one more time out?
I know. Yeah.
I was asking.
Yeah. Oh yeah. What's your word, PJ?
Huh?
I got it. You guys would play defense and hit layups, we wouldn't be in this situation.
I agree.
I know what I'm doing. I'm doing my job. What's my job? What's my job? Am I doing my job? Okay. Hey, I'm proud of you. I'm really proud. But now you got to grind it. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Knock them down. Let's go. Come on. All right? Hey, let's go. Cobras on me. Cobra 3. 1, 2, 3. Cobra. Let's go. Relax.
I believe you, boy.
I know, bro.
Timeout. All right, so 30 seconds. Hey, we're still in the game though, right? We get a turnover. Go right to the basket. Go right to the basket. Let them foul you. Okay?
Do not let him get the ball.
Go right to the basket.
Hey, when they get the
We
ball,
got to go up. You got to make the basket. You want to play for an N1 or you want to play for the 3? Huh?
Hey, you got to get a steal.
Let's go. Get it.
Everything, all effort right now.
Cobras on me. Cobras 3. 1, 2, 3. Cobras.
mine would be too big.
Aiden back. Teddy up. Teddy up. Aiden back. Now, now, now. Hey, good try, Kenny. Good try. Kenny. Hey, he's going to go long. Go long! All right, line up. Hey, line up. Good game. Line up. Good game. Line up. Good game. Line up. Let's go.